Can a rusty African axe, bought for just a few dollars, be transformed into a stunning ancient battle axe? In today's video, we'll see how our restoration expert, Aim Hamill, completely transforms this old African axe, which looks like nothing more than scrap metal, using his incredible craftsmanship. First, the axe is completely disassembled, and the rust removal process begins with the help of electrolysis. The axe is connected to the negative terminal, while a piece of scrap iron is connected to the positive terminal, and both are submerged in salt water. The salt increases the number of ions in the solution, making the rust removal process faster and more effective. After several hours, when the axe is taken out, years of rust have been almost completely removed. But once it's clean, the real challenge appears. The blade's surface reveals several deep pits and marks from its original construction. An angle grinder is used to level the entire surface. Some of the pits are so deep that grinding them away alone would make the blade too thin. So those sections are filled with welding, and then ground again until the surface becomes perfectly smooth. Continuous grinding causes the steel to heat up. If it gets too hot, its hardness can be reduced, so after every pass, it's allowed to cool down. Thanks to this careful process, the blade retains all of its original strength. Now begins the transformation into a Viking battle axe. Marks are carefully made on the blade, and its signature crescent-shaped cut is created. This design isn't just for looks. It reduces the axe's weight, improves its balance, and can even be used to hook an enemy's weapon or shield when needed. That's exactly why Viking warriors favored this design. Once the overall shape is complete, the blade is polished with great precision. Then stunning designs are engraved using laser engraving. This also makes the welded areas almost disappear, giving the entire axe a premium appearance. Now it's time for the new handle. The wooden handle is trimmed to match the size of the axe, then it's sanded until perfectly smooth. The lower section is shamed to make it even stronger, while also giving it a beautiful appearance. After that, a dark wood wax is applied, protecting the wood from moisture while giving it a rich, elegant finish. Finally, the blade is firmly secured into the handle using a wooden wedge. A masterpiece like this deserves a strong leather sheath. First, the leather is soaked in water. Then it's placed in boiling water for about 2 minutes. During this process, the collagen inside the leather shrinks, making it much harder. It is then pressed under heavy weight to form the desired shape. Once dried, the soft leather transforms into a tough, hard leather cover. It is then cut, stitched, and finished, perfectly fitted to the axe. The symbol engraved on the blade, Aegishjálmur, also known as the Helm of Awe, is a famous protective symbol from Norse mythology. It is believed to grant its bearer courage, strength, and protection. That's exactly why it has been engraved onto this magnificent Viking battle axe. And finally, this rusty African axe, purchased for just a few euros, is transformed into a breathtaking Viking battle axe, one that would amaze anyone who sees it. Its finish, its design, and its incredible attention to detail prove that with the right skill and enough patience, even scrap can become a remarkable work of art. Which old tool would you like to see restored next?